Back end went flying over. No!
Hear no shit, followed by silence.
I'll be with you very shortly. Nothing happened. Move along. Nothing happened.
Is your video recording, or is it going to mysteriously disappear?
I might have to delete the F-bomb, but yeah, we'll leave it. I hit it and accidentally down-geared coming up this real steep hill, and the front end went up in the air. But don't worry, this stump stopped me. You could hear that all the way down here.
Why don't you go first here, please? 'Cause I'm missing all the good stuff.
Oh crap, okay.
Oh.